suicidal thoughts and behavior, anxiety disorders. Depression often occurs with anxiety disorders. Substance abuse. Depression increases the risk of substance abuse. Sleep disorders. Depression can lead to sleep disorders such as insomnia. Social isolation. Depression can lead to social isolation and loneliness. Postpartum depression impacts 1 in 7 new mothers. Understanding depression statistics can help us understand not only how common depression is but also how vital is to treat depression and elevate the impacts of the condition.
Type of depression, major depressive disorder, also known as clinical depression. This is the most common type of depression. Presented depressive discover PDD, a type of depression that lasts for 2 years or more. Postpartum depression, a type of depression the score is woman after childbirth.
Also known as clinical depression, this is the most common type of depression. Persistent depressive disorder, a type of depression that lasts for 2 years or more. Postpartum depression, a type of depression that occurs in women. Seasonal affective disorder, a type of depression that occurs during the winter months. Bipolar disorder, a mental health condition that involves periods of depression and mania.
Neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Number 2, hormonal changes, hormonal fluctuation during pregnancy, childbirth, or menopause. Number 3, trauma, physical or emotional trauma increase the risk. Number 4, chronic illness, living with a chronic illness such as diabetes, heart disease, or chronic pain.
Philippines recognize depression as a significant public health concern. According to the DOH, at least 3.6 million Filipinos are facing mental health issues, including depression, during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Importance of seeking help and support for individuals struggling with depression. They encourage Filipinos to prioritize their mental health and well-being, especially during challenging times like the pandemic.